Once upon a time in a village, there lived a poor farmer and his daughter. The farmer was so poor that he didn't even have enough money to buy books for his daughter so that she could study. But the farmer's daughter was a very bright and hardworking student. She studied day and night and got very good marks in all the exams. The farmer was very proud of his daughter. He worked harder in the fields so that he could earn more money and give his daughter a better life. One day the farmer's wife said, "I'm very happy that our daughter is so intelligent, but we can't afford to buy her books or pay for her tuition. If only she were a son, then I would give him all the money to become a great engineer." The farmer's daughter heard this and felt very sad. She decided that she would do something big to make her parents proud. After that, she went to the market and bought a lottery ticket with the money that her father had given her for buying books. The next day, the lottery was announced and the farmer's daughter's number was declared as the winner. She had won 1 lakh rupees. The farmer and his wife were very happy. They took the money and built a small house in the city. The daughter used some of the money to buy books and study. After 2 years, the daughter completed her education and got a job in a good company. She bought a car and gave it to her parents. She also gave them a lot of money so that they could live a comfortable life. The farmer's daughter became an inspiration for all the villagers. Everyone praised the farmer and his wife for bringing up such a wonderful daughter. The story tells us that if we work hard and stay focused on our goals, then we will definitely succeed one day. It also shows how important it is to have big dreams and to never give up, no matter how difficult the situation may seem. If you enjoyed this story, please like and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to subscribe for more amazing stories like this. Thank you for watching.